Fluffy. It sure is good that we're doing evil things again. It sure has been a long time since I've been in crime. Meow, meow. No one will know who I am with this awesome disguise on. Meow, 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 meow. Yeah, me too. I'm glad no one's invaded the base yet.
Boss, he's here.
What? Who's here?
The guy who's looking for his flower.
Oh, idiots! Get them! Get them! Aha! We'll get them for you, sir! We're evil guys! Blow this one too! Ow! Now you, Fluffy! Alright, boys, let's get them!
No!
Owie!
Ha! 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 Yeah!
We need reinforcements in there!
I use my sword!
Owie! He's hitting them!
No! No! Oh, owie! No! Not the broom! Not the broom! Owie!
Tell me where the crystal is. The crystal power.
What?
Tell me.
What are you talking about? Stop shaking me. We don't even have that.
You do too.
We do not. You'll never get anything out of me.
Yeah, we'll take this.
No!
Poncho Man, this is really important. You have to guard her. Someone has infiltrated the base.
Oh, all right, but I don't even really need this job, you know. Poncho.
You know, Poncho Man,
What?
you're smarter than all of us.
I know. I was saying the same thing. I'm like, hey, I'm Poncho Man, and I don't even need this job, right?
I bet you're well armed too.
I know. I'm like 10 times more pleasing than they are.
I can tell just by looking at
You know what? You're right. I don't need this job.
you. No, you don't.
I'm Poncho Man.
Go do something about it.
I will. I'm Poncho Man. I'm just gonna leave. I'm just gonna leave. Don't run away. I'm gonna leave. Fuck this job. I'm Poncho Man. I don't need this shit. I can go home. I got things to do. Man, I'm really happy there's no one here to fight, because I really hate dying. Ow! Oh, God.
Hey, how'd you escape?
I didn't fight too.
Girl, Jim. Oh, boy. Fluffy, we better get out of here. This looks like a good safe place to hide. Oh, yeah. You'll never find me in this place, right?
Found you!
Oh, my God!
Who are you?
I'll tell you who I am. The number will reveal who I must be. Ha! It is me, Green Marker!
Oh my God! What happened to your face?
Ow! I had some work done, okay? Okay? You know, getting popped in the head, it just doesn't grow back. It's not like it grows on trees, all right? You need work done.
And your cat! It's so fat!
Yeah, Fluffy kind of let herself go a little bit. Don't, stop.
It's a fat kitty!
Stop bouncing, Fluffy. Stop bouncing, Fluffy. Fluffy, goddammit.
So why? Why have you stolen my crystal of power?
What?
The crystal! You stole it!
Well,
I was buying it, and then poof, gone!
Well, I needed it for things.
That's it. We're gonna have to fight.
Yeah, I hate fighting.
Now we're gonna have to kung fu fight!
All right, I won't pull any punches.
All right.
Except this one. Fluffy!
Ah! God, it's such a fat cat!
Now he's incapacitated. I'll mark him green.
Have to use this!
Yo! Fluffy! Fluffy! Fluffy, no! I'll mark you green for this.
You're gonna get what's coming to you, Marker.
I have marked you green. It's what I do. No. The tide of the battle is fading in his favor. No, my marker! My marker! Oh, that really stings!
Now I'm gonna do what apparently that Dentabon guy couldn't do. Finish the job! I finally got my atomic bomb.
Yeah, thanks for saving me, by the
No problem.
Oh man, you did it, RazorBlade Explosion. You did it.
Yes, I did.
I'll take her and go. Finish up here.
All right, sounds good. Let's see. There's just one more thing I've got to do.